Hello boys and girls and parents. This video is going to show you how to get to Edmodo, how to view assignments, and how to attach them. So, you're going to go to your internet browser. I use Google Chrome. Some of you might use Microsoft Edge or Safari or Firefox, whatever your web browser might be. So you click on Google Chrome. And you're going to go to clever.com. Students will need to sign in with their ID number. It is their lunch ID. Students are aware of what their student information is. I'm going to pause it for a moment and sign in. Once you are in Clever, you're going to select the Edmodo application. I'm using Lewis's profile. Lewis has Edmodo as one of his favorites, but if you don't find it right away, if you scroll down, you will find an E with 3 lines on top of it that says Edmodo. Click to go into Edmodo. So once you are in Edmodo, it's pretty simple to get to your assignments. You're going to, at the top, select the planner option. Here, you get to see all of your assignments for all of your classes. You can see Mrs. Gann's class, Mr. Noeth, our music teacher, and Miss I. We're going to be using Miss I's class for today's demonstration. So I'm going to click on Miss I's, because those are the assignments that I want to see, and you'll see that it's empty. Currently, it's an upcoming. Upcoming assignments are assignments that are due either today or in the days that are going to come. You need to select the completed option. Completed means not that you have done the assignment, but that the due date has passed. So let's click the completed option. Once you do that, all of your assignments will come up. To enter an assignment, all you have to do is put your mouse over it, and an open button will appear. You want to click that open button. So this is the assignment. You will see the instructions for the assignment, as well as the attachment. The attachment usually has the work that the student has to do. So once you read the instructions, the student can open the assignment, and it will automatically pop up or download. Now, students can either write right on the document if they know how, or they can do the work on a piece of paper and take a picture of it with a phone. So let's talk about turning in your assignment after you have completed it. So, to turn your assignment in, you're going to hit the Attach option, and you're going to select File from Computer. If you were using your phone to attach a picture of your work, what you would do is just follow the same steps. Go to your web browser, clever.com. You would select Edmodo. Same process. Go to your planner, find your assignment, and it'll give you the attach option. In the attach option, you're going to get the option to either take a picture or select a picture from your gallery to attach. What you do is up to you. Once you click the attach on the computer, your documents are going to show up, and you can select the document that you made or the picture, press open, and it's going to attach it to the work. Once you attach it, you're going to hit the Turn In Assignment button. I'm not going to do that just because Lewis has not completed this one yet, and so I don't want to turn in an assignment for him. But once you hit the Turn In Assignment, it shows up to your teacher, either Mrs. Gann or Mrs. I. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're looking to how to write in a document, such as this one, and do your work on the computer, that is going to be in another video under the help folder.